outside? We'll go see the snow? Come on. Actually, I shouldn't have said go outside because we're right in the middle of the blizzard of 2016, as they're calling it. Okay, let's see. I know you're not going to get out the front door. And it's going to steam up. Let's see if we can see out anyway. Oh no, look at all this. Oh, okay, see. Really can't see. Lacey, we're not going to get out there. We can't get out there. Good thing we have an indoor potty for you, right? Good thing you got your indoor potty. Let's go look over here. Come here. Let's see if we can see outside here a little bit. This is a lot of snow. Lacey, look how much snow we have. Now let's go over here and look out the dining room. Come on, Lacey, let's go look. Come here. Am I confusing you? Here, let's just look out the dining room window, and I don't think you can't even really see the pond. You can only see a little tiny bit of it. Okay, where's Lacey? Lacey, where'd you go? Oh, there she is. Come on, let's go look this way. Actually, let's look out this door. Look how much is... Did you see all the snow? Did you see all the snow? How are we going to get you outside? Here's the fish tank with too many fish in it. Okay, Lace. We're going to open up that sliding door and see how it looks. All right, Lace, let's open up this door. Let's see the snow. Oh my gosh. This snow, look, it's definitely higher than you. I can't see that. I can't open this up. Lacey, come here. Come here. Come here, Bill. Look at all the snow. Can you see all the snow coming in? Can you feel it? I'm not going to open the screen because it's all going to come in. What's going on? It's crazy weather. Lacey, let's go upstairs and see Lexi and see what she's doing. Come on. Come on. Let's go see what she's doing during the snowstorm. Come on. Oh, okay. Let's go see. I bet. Look at all the snow in the window. I bet she's sleeping. Look. Come here. Look, it's so dark. Okay, come on. Now, Lacey, look. Come here, up here. We'll come say hi. Now, easy. Look, can't see out the window. Hi, Lexi. Why do you talk so much? Lacey, be nice. Okay, what's going on, huh? You can't see outside, can you? Look how high the snow is. Look over here. Can't see out this window either. have a screensaver that has snow on it. So it's showing our current conditions, and it's 27 degrees Fahrenheit. What do you think, Lacey? You have to go outside probably not till tomorrow, so we'll use your indoor potty. Do you have to go potty? Come on. You gotta go? Come on. Let's see if she... Come on, Lacey. Let's bring your toy, okay. Lacey, you gotta go potty? Look, in here. Come here. Wanna use your potty? Don't bring the toy with you. Come on. Lacey, look, go potty. Show everybody how you go potty. Go, 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 go. No? Okay, well anyway, we have it set up. I'm using just puppy pads underneath it right now. It's a lot easier. I used to have cat litter underneath, but that was getting kind of messy and hard to deal with. So it's just a synthetic grass mat that I put the pads under, and it's a lot easier to clean up. So this is what we do on our snowy days and rainy days. Good girl, Lace. Good girl, good girl. See? Simple, right? Simple, simple. Okay, just to show you. You see the pond from up here too. Lacey, you want to go see the snow? Okay, come on. Come on. You want to go see? Come on. Lacey, come on. You can look. Come on. Let's see how much is here. Ready? Let's see. Ugh. I'd say that's pretty deep. And it hasn't been snowing for 24 hours yet. And it's supposed to snow. Okay, it started at 6:30 last night. It is now 2 p.m. the next day, and it's supposed to snow till 4 a.m. at least. So, this is a lot of snow for us. Lacey, come here. You want to go see? You don't want to see the snow? Too much for you, huh? Okay, but that's why we have the indoor potty, and you stay nice and clean, right? Which is great. Okay, say, I hope everybody enjoys being snowed in, everybody on the East Coast. I hear a doggy outside. See, and you can stay nice and clean and warm. Okay, Lacey, say bye-bye. Say we'll probably video and check it out tomorrow. See you later, everybody.